United Committee Manipur UCM President Joychandra compared the recent arson of the committee's office with that of 3rd Puya Thaba, burning of the ancient manuscripts of Manipur in the 18th century. Joychandra was speaking on the sideline of a sit-in protest held at the committee's office complex against the arson on February 23rd night by miscreants. The UCM president called UCM is an apex body of several CSOs formed aftermath of the Bangkok Agreement 2001 that paved a way for ceasefire between NSCNIM and Government of India without territorial limit. Lamenting the arson, he questioned the motive behind attacking the committee that has been working in the interests of the state and its people. Terming the act an unfortunate one, Joychandra said many important documents related to the ongoing conflict with Chin Cookie narco-terrorists, books donated by scholars and all the documentation since 2001 were destroyed in the arson. He added that Kokomi, another apex body, also shares the same office building. Over 1 week has passed and no individuals or organization has claimed responsibility for the act, he said. Joychandra said he will gladly resign if he deemed unfit to hold the office by any individual or organizations.
Manipur ki damakta aikoi ki border ki wariba madugi lai phone nabagi damakta aikoi ne sem saraga thamkiba treaty mayam Kabu Valley ki mayam aikoi da adugun labe eminent persons in the film book mayam do mangta ki vibe se aikoi yamna nungaite manam naduna aikoi iramdam sida leba iresa khudni mangna ima leba pu nungsiba ki damakta tholokpani ima leba nungsiba ki damakta tholokpu goiragati ima leba kannanabagi damakta aikoi khuding mak amato ina sanction binasi ima leba kannanabani hairaga miyangi oiba lan apex organization oiba UCM thabase masi aikoi yamna nungaite aikoi thamu sona nungaite ngasi phongbuda UCM tharambagi clarification tawdibase UCM na kari lan gi badiki clarification tawdibno masi miyam na khangna sengtokpi oisini